Arweave has been doing great since it initially became public. From its progressive plan to store the historical backdrop of humankind for all time, the innovation of information stockpiling backing it up additionally impacted many individuals overall in its aspirations. The weighty amassing of Arweave tokens this year likewise recommends that the confidence in this thought will make long-haul impacts. This is likewise accentuated on the grounds that it presently holds the position of number 80 in the top digital forms of money on the planet. In any case, is the tremendous unpredictability it has been going through for the beyond 2 months a superb opportunity for going bullish pattern on our token? We should figure out the drawn-out Arweave cost forecast and look further into the organization. What is Arweave coin? The authority site of Arweave organization says that a convention permits a client to store information for all time, reasonably with a solitary forthright expense. Utilizing a decentralized organization, it works like how Uber interfaces drivers with individuals who need transport. The Arweave convention basically coordinates individuals who need to store their information for all time with people or associations with some free hard drive space. The Arweave convention makes a permob structure like a worldwide, long-lasting snare of pages and applications put away endlessly. The permob is kept up with by its local area individuals, who can contribute or get compensated for support. The permob isn't different when contrasted in the standard web. All of the substance on permob, from pictures to message, is super durable, recovered rapidly, and decentralized for eternity. The organization involves R tokens for its administration, and it is totally local area possessed. It additionally works as an open source organization. The people group has constructed a total arrangement of far-reaching instruments and administrations that empowers a client to send off totally decentralized administrations on top of the permob. Arweave specialized examination. Starting from the start of the last year, the value activity of Arweave denoted a huge bull run. Be that as it may, these cost levels were not supported over the course of the following couple of months as the R cost bit by bit declined in a descending pattern. This continuous downfall took the ongoing cost of Arweave cryptographic money beneath its 50 days moving normal today. The cost of Arweave began a bull pursue weighty crypto market support in August 2021, sending the cost in excess of 400% upwards. This expanded the unpredictability, and the Arweave R cost remained profoundly unstable till the finish of the last year. The aggregation dispersion marker shows no critical gathering at this point. Yet it ought to be noticed that the greater part of the development occurred in the primary quarter of the last year. In this way, contrasted with the overall value development of the last year, the ongoing amassing isn't just immense. The Bollinger Group's investigation shows that high unpredictability was experienced from the very outset of the last August till December 2021. In the primary quarter of the last year, the Arweave R cost was exchanging sideways, and titanic market support pushed the cost upwards, making an improving crypto market from January to April with its cost changes. From that point forward, the R cost shot upwards again on high unpredictability was in August, when the RSI marker began making an overbought signal. It ought to be perceived that the general strength record is best utilized in a sideways moving Arweave cryptographic money market, so it is as yet extreme to say whether the cost will stay stable for quite a while. The ongoing RSI level doesn't demonstrate any oversold or overbought signals, so for the present, it is reasonable to stand by. It will be a superior methodology to long or short in view of the obstruction level for the Arweave. The obstruction level is $35 and the help level is $31. As per our cost guess, it is anticipated that the Arweave cost will reach $94.59 in the following year. With a 5-year productive venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 709.33%. Your current $100 speculation might ultimately depend on $809.33 in 2027 according to the projection of Wallet Financial Backer Specialists. In light of Arweave cost expectations, the Arweave cost will cross the degree of $53.48 constantly 2026. On the off chance that this cost is accomplished, according to the financial backers, one can add Arweave in their speculation portfolio as well. According to our cost expectation, the Arweave cost is anticipated to reach $36.43 by the start of January 2023. The normal greatest cost is $45.54. The base cost is $30.97. As indicated by the Arweave figure, the cost of R is supposed to reach $96 by 2023. Arweave value expectations, 2022 to 2026. We have utilized specialized examination and prescient information displaying calculations to track down additional insights concerning the eventual fate of digital forms of money. We have involved a similar strategy for the R cost expectations for the R token over the time of the following 5 years. The R projections depend on basic examination and investigations of the Arweave coin image R's presentation till now. Despite the fact that utilizing verifiable qualities to foresee the future cost isn't a legitimate sign of the value, it ought to be noticed that this isn't a horoscope. Financial backers should comprehend their gamble resistance and need to enter the monetary business sectors, as digital forms of money are exceptionally unstable and likely to gambles. There generally lies a likelihood that the situation could come disintegrating down, so we are giving the best forecasts that we have at present thought of. The Arweave cost today is around $33 alongside a market cap of $1,106,452,925 and an exchanging volume of $32,820,891. The typical worth anticipated for the year 2022 is $44. The ongoing all-time high is $90.94. The ongoing complete stockpile is 63,190,435 R, and the greatest inventory is 66 million R. Arweave Value Forecast 2022. The ongoing cost of our crypto is exchanging around $33. According to our cost conjecture, the Arweave cryptographic money is anticipated to arrive at least degree of $42. In light of the cost expectations, the Arweave cost can arrive at a greatest worth of $45. The cost expectation 2022 says that the typical cost all through the year will exchange around $43. Right now, the help level is around $31. In the event that the development keeps on being something similar, putting would be useful over the long haul. Arweave Value Expectation 2023. In light of our cost expectation and our own exploration, the cost of Arweave is estimated to arrive at least value worth of $48 with a greatest cost of $57 in the year 2023. The Arweave estimate predicts the typical cost all through the year is supposed to exchange close $53. Arweave Value Expectation 2024. According to the Information Expectation Models and Arweave R-Cost Forecast, the base value level of Arweave will be $60. The most extreme cost will be $68 with a typical exchanging cost of around $65 all through 2024. Arweave Value Forecast 2025. As indicated by the Specialized Examination and R-Cost Expectation for the year 2025, the base cost of Arweave will be $65 and the greatest value level will be $80. According to the Arweave estimate, the typical cost will exchange around $74 in 2025. Putting resources into this coin according to this cost would be advantageous for the financial backers in the year 2025. Arweave Value Expectation 2026. The drawn-out cost forecast model shows that the base cost of R is supposed to be $70. The most extreme cost of R will be $89 while keeping up with the typical cost of $83 exchanging the year 2026, which will be exceptionally high from the ongoing cost. With this greatest cost, there is dependably an opportunity of beneficial gets back from a wise speculation. Is Arweave a wise speculation? According to our speculation council, Arweave is a wise venture choice. In any case, the profoundly unpredictable nature of the digital currencies may likewise terrify a few